So last Tuesday I posted a video saying every Tuesday we're going to post a new video unless life gets in the way. And guess what happens right off the bat? This last weekend life got in the way. We went out and got some firewood Friday, and then from that point on pretty much everybody besides myself was sick in the household with some kind of stomach bug. And hopefully I don't catch it because everybody looked pretty miserable. But I didn't get any new video shot, didn't get any editing done. So thought I'd just throw a quick video together today to say we're going to try a new feature on YouTube next Tuesday. It's something that I've noticed has been on our channel as an option. It's called a video premiere. And I didn't really look into it. I just happened to stumble across a video kind of explaining how it worked. And evidently we can premiere a video, and the first time it posts or the first time it runs through, you can interact live with us while that video is playing and get some direct interaction during the first roll of that video. And I'm not sure if all the details on how that works, but we're going to try it next Tuesday. So at 5 p.m. Pacific time, 8 o'clock Eastern time, of course in the evening, p.m., we're going to premiere a video. I think it's going to be a mining video of about a mine that we're hoping to see actually operating on a fairly large scale here in Eastern Oregon. At least that's the rumor we hear. So next Tuesday at 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific time, tune into our channel. We'll have a premiere video. We'll be able to do some live interaction with the audience. I don't know how it's going to go. Maybe nobody will show up, but we're hoping to see you guys there and play around with this premiere thing and see if we like it, see if it's something we want to do on a regular basis. Would love some direct live interaction with the audience. So anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this today. Sorry it's not a full-length video today, but I thought this would be a good chance to promote a premiere video next week and see how that goes. So again, tune in next week and we'll see you then.